Heute schauen wir uns ein Managementmodell der anhand der Produktpalette ermöglicht, Wertströme zu steuern. Können wir anfangen?
Können wir das auf Englisch machen?
Ja. Entschuldige. We start today with a management model that enables us to manage value streams. Okay, value streams depending as a function of the product spectrum. Okay, so depending on the product spectrum, we can decide what strategy we are going to drive our value stream with. And this is very important because so far we have known how to calculate and how to make value streams quantifiable with numbers, but we don't know what to do with these numbers. Okay, and today we learn what to do with the numbers. This method is called the Glendy sieve. Auf Deutsch heißt es Sieve. Ein Sieve. Glendy ist da ein Ingenieur, der das entwickelt hat. Okay? Und der Typ hat einfach gesagt, okay, I have a product, a value stream that has a certain set of products, A, B, C, D, bam, bam, bam. And these products represent a certain amount of volume. Okay, one SKU is this volume, second SKU is this volume, and so on and so forth. And what he says is that we need to manage these products differently depending on the volume they have. And for that, he creates 4 categories. Okay. The first category is the green category. Green. This category represents 6% of the products, and about 50% of the volume. Let me take more colors. More colors. Okay, now what? So the second category, it should be yellow. I put here white, but it should be yellow. Okay, please put yellow here. It represents another 40% of the volume, so it takes up to 90%. And 44% of the product, so it takes up to 50. Okay, this is the yellow category. The next category is the blue category. And it takes 9% of the product, 99%. around 30% of the SKUs. So it takes up to 20% of the SKUs. It takes up to 70%. And the last category is the red category. It takes 1% to 100. It takes around 30% of the amount of products, so that it adds up to 100%. So we have a distribution based on volume, and we have a distribution based on products, number of products, different SKU numbers. So for the green category, what do we do? And why? The important is the why. You need to understand why. What do we do here? Don't take drugs in the class. It's a joke. Ihr müsst nicht lachen. For the green category, I have 50% of volume driven by 6% of the products. So what do we do with this with these products? What we do here is we create a flow, continuous flow. How do we do it? We know it already with supermarkets. So we create a flow. We create that by installing supermarkets or FIFO. Only at one planning only at one point, and so on and so forth. The whole rules we have seen. Why do we do it? To reduce the variability of the system. And we do it here because green is driving the volume. These products are driving the volume. So it's the big amount of business. And it makes sense that we take care of that and we reduce the variability there. You know what we did the other day? Creating a plan of action, remember? This is measured through the EPI. We do it in the greens because they drive the volume, and we want to reduce the variability of this value stream. It's the big chunk where we make money. The yellow value stream takes also a lot of volume. 40% is a lot of volume, but a way more amount of products, a lot more. Here is only 6-7%. Here I have 44%. So what do we do here? Here we do CPDNA. Continuous improvement. Okay, here is where we do our Kaizen. Kontinuierlicher Verbesserungsprozess or Kaizen. Continuous improvement. You remember we saw this the other day? Yeah, first day of a class, or second day. The third category, the blue value stream, represents 20% of the products, and it takes only 9% of the volume. What I do is an integration strategy into yellow value stream. I don't have yellow, put here yellow, okay? Not white. Here too. I try to integrate this here. How? Changing a little bit the product. Maybe these products were 10 years ago, some customer decided that they wanted something different, a little variation, and we said yes, but they never asked for it again. These products need to be changed minimally and integrated into the yellow value stream, because these I'm taking care of through continuous improvement. The red strategy, or the red value stream, is get rid of. I try to dismiss these customers. Only 1% of a volume and 30% of my SKU table. It costs me money, it costs me change over time, it costs me a lot of stuff, way more inventory than I can afford. I try to get rid of them. Call the customer and tell them, wouldn't you prefer this or that product? And it's very similar. This we are discontinuing. Get rid of it. You don't make money with it, get rid of it. So here, variability reduction, here continuous improvement, here integration, and here fuck you. Okay? Not all customers are good. Just like not all women are good or not men are good. Just get rid of them. If you don't make money with them, dismiss them. Send them home. You don't want them. Okay? Good.